this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty. We've been really busy with our video. We've also been busy at the market, so we didn't have a whole lot of time to upload. We apologize for that, but we will upload soon as possible.
Yeah, are we changing our days right now? I mean, I think we should probably do on a Friday upload, see how it goes. We're kind of experimenting, right?
Right,
Because this time of the year is very, very, very busy, right? Because
right.
we have a lot of product to make. Our shelves are kind of empty a little bit. And so we're working on making products to sell here. And Kelsey is our editing video person here. And she's been working over here a lot. Right, Kelsey?
Right.
So what are you going to tell our viewers? First, we're going to say thank you for watching, right?
Yep, thank you so much for watching our videos and subscribing, and keep on doing that. And don't forget to comment, like, do all that fun stuff. And we'll see you in the next video.
Okay, so this is a very short video. And, we just wanted to kind of give you guys an update of what's going on. All right, so we see you guys in a couple of days. Hopefully Kelsey's going to be able to edit our last video and put it on YouTube so you guys can watch it. All right, bye. Everybody have a wonderful day.
Bye.